This time we will make this beautiful shaped leaf of Romanian point lace cord and fill it with fill-in stitch. For work you need 2 balls of yarn, ready cord, crochet hook, pins, needle and scissors, and mat. Let's begin the work. I placed the paper on the strong mat so I can pin my cord to this pattern. First, go along the cord to the first side loop. You are going to begin to work through. And as you can see, I have done the first leaf. Let's begin the second leaf. First, go along the cord to the first side loop you are going to begin to work through. Here I'm going to start from this side loop. Let's make string. I secure the thread and with the needle go through the loop on the opposite side. With the needle go through the loop on the opposite side. With the needle go through the loop on this side. With the needle go through the loop on the opposite side. With the needle go through the next loop on this side. With the needle go through the loop on the opposite side. So continue working in this way till the end of this leaf. I have done all strings. Now let's begin the fill-in stitch. With the needle go under 4 threads. Then I wrap the 3rd and the 4th thread. With the needle go under the next 2 threads, like this. Now wrap the 1st and the 2nd thread. With the needle go under 2 next threads. I wrap the 3rd and the 4th. With the needle go under the next 2. Let's move backwards. I wrap the 1st and the 2nd. With the needle go under the next 2. We have done 4 wraps on each side. Now I wrap the 4th and the 3rd one. With the needle go under the 1st and 2nd strings. Now continue with the next 4 strings. With the needle go under the 2 threads. Then I skip 1, 2, 3, 4. I skip the 1st and the 2nd, the 3rd and the 4th. Now wrap the 3rd and the 4th thread and with the needle go under the 1st and the 2nd thread. We skip 1, 2 and with the needle go under the 3rd and the 4th thread. In this case you can make more wraps. Here how it looks. I have done 4 wraps on each side, and we can continue the 5th one, the 6th one, the 7th, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We skip the 1st and the 2nd. With the needle go under the 4th and the 3rd one. We skip next 4 horizontal threads and continue working in this way till the top of the leaf. Then I show you how to complete this leaf. I have done filling stitch. Here how it looks. I have already secured the yarn and cut off it, and the leaf is ready. If you would like to get such leaf as the first one, you need to do more horizontal strings. And I remind you, you can make equal number of wraps or different. Let's look at the back side. Thanks for watching.